Hi, welcome to face detection. In this section, we're going to discuss implementing face detection on the device, configuration of face detection, and trying out face detection. Implementing face detection on the device. In this video, we're going to discuss working with Firebase Vision Face Detector, detecting the camera feed image, and displaying the result on the screen. If we open up Android Studio, we'll remember here that in our main K-switch code here, that this is where we can access all of our different processors. So since this time we're looking at face detection, we're going to want to open up face detection processor. So this has a similar structure to the text recognition and all the other processors that we looked at before, in that it extends vision process base. So vision process base, just to give a quick recap, has three process methods: one that takes an image, one that takes a bitmap, and one that takes a byte buffer and frame metadata. And then it also has a stop, on success, on failure, and detect in image methods. These three being abstract. Now we're interested in this one because this is the one that uses the camera feed. Now, going back to face detection processor, we see that the generic type that's used here is a list of Firebase Vision Face, and that's because it returns a list because here it could detect multiple faces in any given camera scene. So we'll look at Firebase Vision Face a little bit later. Now the first thing that we notice is that instead of just instantiating the detector here, we have some options, and we'll talk about that in the next video. But for now, we'll see that we have the Firebase Vision Face Detector, and we instantiate it just like the other ones by getting an instance of Firebase Vision and then invoking Get Vision Face Detector, and this time with the options passed in. After that, we look at Detect an Image, and that gets invoked similarly to the text detection, where we just invoke detector.detectAnImage, and we pass in the Firebase Vision image. Finally, in onSuccess, here we can see that our return type, let me just clean this up a bit so that it's a little bit easier to read. Okay, so we see here that our first parameter is a list of Firebase Vision faces, and that's expected because that's what we pass in over here to our generic type in the class signature. Now, what we're going to do to get the faces is we're going to loop through each face, right? So we're going to loop through each face here, and we're just going to create a face graphic and then add that to the overlay. Now, looking at face graphic here, we see that it's simply what we're doing here is we're writing text. So we're saying happiness level, right eye, left eye, and then the coordinates of it. And we're also giving a dot for all the different points that are shown here. So bottom mouth, left cheek, left ear, left mouth, left eye, nose base, right cheek, right ear, right eye, and right mouth. So we're basically taking the face that we detected and we're drawing dots or little circles where we find the coordinates of all of these different things. We'll look more deeply into this class in a later video because we do some customizations around here. And that pretty much summarizes the Firebase Vision Face Detector. As we can see, it is implemented similarly to the other detectors or recognizers, and that's a big benefit to us because that makes MLKit very easy to use.